Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are witnessing a new chapter in Audi's history, introducing Audi, a China-only sub-brand styled in all caps and developed hand-in-hand with SAIC to tailor to the best of Audi to Chinese drivers. And its first star? The fully electric E5 Sportback, making its world debut at Auto Shanghai 2025. Behind the scenes, a global team of Audi and SAIC engineers working across Germany and China brought the E5 Sportback from concept to production in just 18 months, cut development time by 30% to deliver this car on the brand new Advanced Digitized Platform, or ADP, with market launch slated for summer 2025. On the outside, the E5 Sportback is all muscle and elegance. At 4,889mm long, 1,959mm wide, and 1,478mm tall, it balances athletic fastback proportions with Audi's signature minimalist flair. Its bold front and rear lightning are wrapped in a continuous black light frame loop that houses everything from sensors to spoilers, merging form and function in one statement feature. Step inside, and you are greeted by a seamless 27-inch 4K panoramic display spanning the dash. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 automotive chipset. Metro materials, three-dimensional wood lamellas with indirect backlighting, combined with ambient lighting, ambient fragrance diffusers, and headrest speakers to create a calming yet tech-forward sanctuary. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, the E5 packs a 100 kWh battery delivering up to 770 km on the CLTC China light-duty vehicle test cycle, with a peak output of 579 kW, that's 776 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds. And thanks to its 800-volt architecture, you can replenish 370 km of range in only 10 minutes. Every E5 comes with Audi OS, an in-car operating system driven by the Snapdragon 8295's 30 billion OPS performance. Face recognition locks you in. A built-in Chinese App Store connects to WeChat, Didi, and more. And a ByteDance-powered emotional voice assistant keeps the conversation flowing. Best of all, OTA updates mean your car keeps getting smarter over time. To tackle China's traffic jungle, the E5 features a 29-sensor suite, 100-line LiDAR, long-range radar, 12 ultrasonic sensors, 11 cameras, and multimodal units. It will support tricycles, delivery riders, and even memorize your multi-level parking garage route for flawless auto park. Adaptive curse assist, lane change aid, and active safety functions round out a system honed for the complexities of Chinese roads. And this is just the beginning. Two more all-electric Audi, all-caps no rings models will join the lineup in 2026 and 2027, cementing Audi's biggest product push ever in China under the mantra. So, what do you think of Audi's China-exclusive all-caps no rings Audi and its inaugural model, the E5 Sportback? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button if you are excited, and subscribe for more deep dives into China's hottest new EVs. See you next time.